How to buy Fidelity S&P 500 Index Fund. Fidelity Investments provides investment management, brokerage services, retirement planning, and wealth management. It helps individuals and institutions grow their wealth through mutual funds, stock trading, financial advisory, and research tools. First, download Fidelity application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with username and password. On homepage, click on search icon in the top right. On search box, search Fidelity 500. That's going to show up there, Fidelity 500 Index Fund. Click on it. On this page here, you can get information about this particular fund. You can look at the performance and hypothetical growth, and many more. If we click on the Research tab, you can get information here about the expense ratio, again the Morningstar category. You can take a look at the dividends that are paid out. Then click on Buy button.
Click on Buy now. Click on Buy.
That's it. Thanks for watching.